Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to showcase a new pair of shoes that I just bought. The Adidas Stan Smith full white sneakers. So why did I choose to buy a pair of white sneakers? Is because white sneakers are really versatile. You can match with almost any other clothing that I own. So you don't have to own like 5 or 10 pair of shoes to fit different occasions. Like by having this one pair, I can match it with other outfits, several different outfits. So okay, now here we go. Stan Smith from Adidas. Okay, closer look. Yeah, I used to own another pair of white sneakers. It was fully leather, synthetic leather, and quite similar to this pair. However, I prefer that other pair in terms of looks. It's because it is really simple without any design. Like for the Adidas, right, they have these dots along the side, which I wasn't I wasn't a fan of initially. Yeah, but because it's not too obvious, so it's alright. Okay. Oh no, there's a bit of dirt over here. How am I able to scratch it off? Yeah, okay. I think it's just the glue. Alright. Should be fine. And it's in the inside anyway, so okay, so yeah, but the other pair of shoe looks good, but it wasn't very comfortable. Yeah, so I was having my feet pain when I walk long distances. Yeah. So I decided to go with this pair because the reviews online shows that it's really comfortable. Okay, let me rotate one round. As you can see, there's Stan Smith written over here in white and the Adidas logo. Okay, and here tiny Adidas word. Yeah, and the sole is a bit rough surface. It's not clear to me, but it's still pretty nice. Okay, turn one around. Yep, simple and slick looking. Okay, if you can take a look at the tongue, slightly longer than other shoes that I own. Okay, and you can see probably Stan Smith's face over here. Okay, so there you have it. It's one pair and one side of the shoe and the other pair. The other side, I mean. Okay. Yeah, so it would be much better if they didn't have this dotted lines over here. Yeah. But overall, I still think it's a pretty simple and sleek looking shoe. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this on. Oh yeah, the cost of this pair of shoes is I got it on a discount. I just happened to go into the shop and I saw a 30% discount. The usual price in Singapore is 140 Singapore dollars. After discount, I got it for just $98. Yeah. Okay, so let me wear this and I'll show you how it looks. I'm going to wear the shoes now. I'm using just one hand because I'm holding the camera with my other hand. Okay. Yeah, the sole is really thick and you feel a lot of cushion. Feels actually one of the best pair of shoes I've ever worn in terms of comfort. I actually look forward to walking, you know, after wearing this pair of shoes. I'm not really a big fan of walking. Yeah, I'm going to try it out.
Okay, so how am I going to tie my shoelace? Okay, there we go. Alright, that's how it looks. And the other side. Sorry, I can't. Gotta put the camera down for a while. Okay, done. So here's a top-down view of the shoes. Oh, I forget to cut away the tag. Let me do it right now. There you have it, Adidas Stan Smith. I'm gonna show you a side view. How does it look? Plain and simple. Thank you guys for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.